Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of a little bit of a different video for my channel. I'm going to do this challenge-ish video, and this is called the inversion method. So what it is it claims that it can grow your hair for an inch in a week. So it can make it grow like an inch, which sounds really good. So what the inversion method is that you massage your scalp while your head is upside down for 4 minutes every day for a week. You can do it two different ways. So you can do it where you put oil in your hair and do it, or you can do it with your hair just dry. I think I'm going to do it with my hair just dry, just because I don't want to be washing it or rinsing it out all the time every single day, because obviously oil automatically makes your hair greasy, which is obviously not what I want to do. So the first thing that we need to do is measure how long my hair is. So I'm just going to sit back a little bit so you can see that I'm giving it a true test. So what I'm going to do is split my hair down the back. So I'm going to be taking this measuring tape, and this has got like a metal thing on the side, and what I've seen a lot of people doing is measuring it from behind their ear, so it's like a true kind of measurement guide, and then pulling a bit of hair from the back section. So I'll take this piece here and we'll just see. Let's have a little look. So where does my hair go to? Oh, so my hair is 11 inches. From my ear thingy it is 11 inches. So I'll just do it again to double check, make sure we get the same reading. Take the hair, pull it down, and yeah, 11 inches. So my hair is currently there. So what we will do, I'm going to do this challenge for the week. I will film like the little clips of me doing it, flipping my head over and massaging it, and we'll see how it gets on. So I will do that. I will film little clips of me doing it. My plan is that I'll probably do it at night, but I'll see how it works out. Because what it basically apparently does is all the blood rushes to your head, and then you massage your scalp and see if it works. I'm actually going to see if this actually works or not, or whether it is just a bit of a farce, because I am wanting to grow my hair a little bit longer. I think I kind of just want to grow it to about there-ish, just a little bit longer, now that it is a bit more healthier than what it were about a year and a half ago, because I was really blonde then, and obviously when you're really blonde it's not exactly healthy. So now that my hair is in a bit better condition, I want to try and grow it longer. So yeah, so we'll just see how I get on. Right, so we are now on day 2 of the challenge. So I'm just going to be doing the same, flipping over my head and massaging it for 4 minutes. I'm not doing it over my bed. I'm just going to do it in this position, just because I'm going to take my makeup off afterwards. So I will just do that now. Right, so it is now the 3rd day, and I am going to actually wash in my hair tonight. So what I'm actually going to do, I am going to do the oil method. So I'm probably going to do this maybe twice this week. I know I said I was just going to do it dry, but I thought I might as well try the oil way as well. I did say in the beginning of this video that I'd probably just do it before I go to bed and flip my head over the bed. But I started to try that the other night, and it was really weird, like lying on my bed and flipping my head over. So I find it easier doing it on a chair and flipping my head over. So what I'm going to do to get started is we'll just take my hair out. So, oh, we've got a wee clip there. And then just take my bobble out. So just checking it out. So I'm just using coconut oil to do this. This is just the one from Aldi. It's cheap. It's not expensive. I don't like to warm up my oils, just because sometimes what it can do is actually take away the nutrients of the oil. So I'm just going to mix them together in my hands, and also that way I don't risk the fact of burning my scalp, because I might actually do that. So all I'm going to do is put my hand in and then kind of like rub it together in my hands, and then distribute it through the roots of my hair to begin with, to get it evenly coated, and then I will start massaging. Thing is, because I'm using coconut oil, it does actually melt in your hands when you start to rub it together anyway. I'll just show you what I mean. So obviously that's looking a bit white, but it does start to melt. So you don't really need to, in my opinion, melt it down, but if you want to, that's fine. Knowing me, I would just like burn my head though. So I'm focusing it in my roots to begin with, because that's where we're going to be massaging. So I'll just apply this and I'll be back in a second. Right, so now that all the coconut oil is applied, I'm going to be flipping my head over and massaging for 4 minutes. There we go, so that is me finished massaging my hair. My hair is extremely greasy now, obviously with the oil. I'm probably just going to leave it in for about an hour. I won't leave it in for much longer than that, and then I'll rinse it out and obviously shampoo and make sure all the oil's out, so then that'll make my hair really greasy. This is why I didn't want to do it all the time, because if you look how greasy like my hair looks with the oil, obviously you could just kind of like rinse it out and condition it, but you've still got the residue of oil in there, and I don't really want to be washing my hair every day. So I'll probably wash my hair one more time during this week before the 7-day period is up. So I'll probably do the oil treatment again then. But other than that, I'm just going to keep doing it dry. To be honest, so far I'm actually not minding doing it in it. A lot of people when I watched their videos said that 4 minutes felt like a very long time. To be honest, because I don't know if it's because I'm doing it at night. I'm doing it kind of just before I either go to bed or like have a shower or something, and it's actually quite relaxing after being at work all day. It's like a nice kind of stress reliever, especially on my head, because sometimes I can get like little headaches and stuff, and honestly I feel as though it's just a lot lighter, and it's if it doesn't even help my hair grow, then it is actually, I feel as though it's actually relaxing, which is good. So yeah, I'll just see you tomorrow. Right, so we are now on day 4 of this challenge. So I'm just going to be doing it like the dry method that I've been doing. I'm not putting the oil in it tonight because obviously I washed my hair last night, so I don't really want to have to re-wash it again. So yeah, I'll just do that. Right guys, so we are now on day 5 of this challenge, so I'm just going to do what I've been doing, flip my head over and massage my head for 4 minutes. So it's now day 6 and I'm going to be washing my hair tonight, so I'm going to do the coconut oil thing again that I did a few nights ago. So I'll just take my hair out, we'll apply it in, and then I'll start massaging. So I'll just speed past this little bit because you've just seen me do it, so. So we are now on day 7 of this challenge, so I'm just going to get started because I'm just doing it on my dry hair, and we'll flip it over and get started. Right guys, so this is now the end of the week-long challenge. So I guess all there is left to do is to see if it is actually grown. So my hair was 11 inches last time, so we'll see what it's like now. Obviously my hair's smooth like it was, you know, it's all straight and everything, because I thought I can't really not do it while it's straight, you know, because other than that it won't be a fair test. So I'm going to do exactly what I did last time, is put the metal thing behind my ear. When I can get it behind my ear. There we go, right. And then straighten out this, and I took one from the back pieces, and then we'll just, okay. It's now 11.5 inches. So it's 11. So it's 11.5 inches now. So it means that my hair has grown half an inch, but we will just check that again, just to make sure it is right. We don't want any false testing. Right, so doing it another time, it's actually just after the 11.5 mark. It's like 11 3/4, so it's there. And I'll just do that one more time, because obviously we've had 11.5 and 11 3/4, so go in the same piece of hair when I can do this size. Yeah, right, so it's just 11 3/4, if not past. So that means that my hair has grown 1/3 of an inch. So it's grown, because it was just shy of that, so my hair has grown that in a week. I think that's quite good how much it's grown. I'm impressed with that. I didn't actually think it had grown at all. So to say that it's nearly an inch, it's not too bad. Would I keep trying this method? Definitely. But you can't do it every single week. You've got to do it like every 3 to 4 weeks and then do it again. So I think I will definitely keep trying this out and see if it helps to grow my hair. If it's done like 3/4 of an inch, then I'm happy with that. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button down below, and hit the little bell icon as well, because what it does, it notifies you every time I upload a video. And yeah, I will just see you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.